Hi friends, it's Stephen at Goody Goody showing you how we make our French meringue baby shower pops. Pink for girls and blue for boys. Start with the egg whites and mix at medium speed, adding a spoonful of sugar at a time. Then the vanilla. And cream of tartar. Turn the mixer up to high for about 8 minutes until you get really stiff peaks, like this. Now divide the meringue into 3 bowls. One white, one for a light color, and one for a darker color. Magic! Now take a piece of plastic wrap and spread 3 rows of meringue on the wrap. I use the back of a spoon. It's really easy to spread it out doing that. More magic. Now roll the plastic into a tube. Seal one end and put it in a piping bag, trying to get rid of any air bubbles. Then pipe it in a spiral motion, starting at the middle. And try to keep the piping bag straight up and down if you can. This is kind of hypnotic to watch. It almost looks like it's slow motion. Beautiful. Look at that. Now put them in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours because they're pretty thick, and then let them cool in the oven for at least an hour to really dry them out. Have fun making our recipe at home, or buy them from our Etsy shop for $19.95 a dozen. And the cellophane wrap comes for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe.